Right, we have some OEM Honda boxes, as you guys can see. So right arm, left, look at that, brand new OEM. So I'm gonna install these today. My rear camber on my car is off. I brought it to get an alignment and they said I need the camber arms replaced. So I ordered these. My location. It is 23 degrees right now, guys. Freaking tarp blew off of this thing. Look at all ice. We had this huge ice storm here, so I gotta wait for that to melt, get this baby covered up. The first thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna just jack up the car. Really excited to do this video today. I haven't done a do-it-yourself in a while. I haven't done any installs in a while, so I'm actually like looking forward to filming this for you guys. So I really hope you enjoy. Make sure you guys like this video. It helps me a lot. Little jacket right there on the tow hook. So you got to take the wheel off to get to the whole arm itself, guys. Okay. 19 millimeter. All right, guys, got our jack stand under. Let's get these off. Okay. Camber arm. Wow, look at how freaking crappy those coilovers look. So all we have on this thing, we have a bolt here, 14 millimeter bolt on the front right here. We're gonna go ahead and work on getting that off first. And then if you come underneath, it's kind of hard to see, but if you come underneath, right up into there, there is a bolt right there, and then there's another bolt on the side of that. Technically, you should have another jack underneath here, but it should be fine. We're not going too crazy, and it's still supported a little bit. So now we're gonna go ahead and get these other bolts out. But look at the size of this thing, guys. That thing's huge. Two right there. They're kind of rusty, honestly, but those should be 14 millimeters. Let's go ahead and get those out, shall we? These are the bolts right here. Make sure you have WD-40 or some PB Blaster, because these were kind of like, they felt like they were stripping in a way. So what I did was, so I didn't snap anything because I couldn't afford to do that right now. I would be backing out on it, right? Getting the bolt out, and then I would retighten it, spray a little bit in the threads, and I was able to maneuver these things out of there. But working on getting this last bolt out right now here. And here is the old 230,000 mile trailing arm. Look at that thing, guys. Rusted to crap. Probably worn to piss. That's one of my tires. Oh, right here. I meant to show you guys. Look at. That's what's happening right now. So thank God these tires were on the way out, but there's literally metal exposed. And I believe it's due to this being the problem. This is the new one, obviously. The old. Yep. Everything looks good. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and slap this new one in here. Simply just put it in the same way I pulled it out. Okay, let that rest there. Raise this to the top. We're gonna stick our bolt in, start to thread that in so it kind of stays in place. You can start threading it in by hand. And I'm not going to tighten all these like super tight. I'm just gonna leave them all loose, and then just casually tighten them up all around the same time frame here, or the same length. Why is this one not going in now? Okay. So there you have it, guys. The new upper camber arm is officially installed, guys. Pretty easy install, probably one of the easiest installs I did on this thing. 3 bolts, literally 14 millimeter. 2 bolts in the back need to be torqued to 40 pound-feet of torque. And then this front one, they say, is supposed to be torqued to 80. I think that's a little too high, but I mean, I'm just gonna send it. I'll probably do like 75. I don't know. Maybe I'll just send it to the 80. But anyways, yeah, there you have it, guys. Upper camber arm, whatever you want to call it, is installed. I hope you guys really enjoyed. If you like this video, make sure you give it a like, drop your comments down below on if this helps, and be sure to subscribe for more content, guys. And I will see you all in the next video coming soon. And remember, never stop wrenching. I gotta be honest, I'm stuck right now. This sucks. And let me tell you, when I said this side was going to be similar, I was wrong. I had to take the muffler off to access the 2 bolts in the back for the upper arm. I got everything off. This is off, and this one's off. But this bolt is seized. That thing is seized, guys. I cannot get it off.